Hello, dear students, in biology, today we have to discuss the cell division type, that is mitosis. Okay, so first of all, we want to know what is meant by mitosis. Look at the definition of mitosis, where it is a type of cell division in which a cell can divide into two daughter cells. When you look at here, if it is a cell, it is a particular cell, when it divides into two equal daughter cells, then it is known as mitosis. Okay, when the cell divide into two equal daughter cells, this process is known as mitosis. Okay, the mitosis is a kind of cell division in which a parent cell, this cell can divide into two daughter cells, is known as mitosis. Then this term is first time coined by Walter Fleming in 1878. You know, cell division is the process in which a cell can divide into two or more daughter cells. There are two types of cell division. First one is mitosis and second one is meiosis. But here we want to discuss only mitosis. The mitosis is a type of cell division in which a daughter cell can a cell can divide into two or more daughter cells. But here only two daughter cells are formed from single cell. This is known as mitosis, and this term mitosis is coined by Walter Fleming in 1878. Then what is the role of mitosis in this living world? इस living world में mitosis का क्या रोल होता है वो वन बाय वन हम यहाँ पे देखने वाले हैं. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पहला रोल देखो mitosis का क्या होता है. It help in asexual reproduction. It help in asexual reproduction. It help in asexual reproduction in bacteria, means prokaryotic organism, also in unicellular organism. हम लोग 10th क्लास 9th क्लास में पढ़ते हैं कि मोस्टली यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स लाइक अमीबा, पैरामीशियम, bacteria reproduce with the help of binary fission, budding. These are also the example of mitosis where two daughter cells are formed from a single parent cell. Here, that's why first role in living world of mitosis is it helps in asexual reproduction in bacteria, also in unicellular organisms like amoeba and paramecium. Then another one is it also responsible for growth, development and healing of multicellular organism. Means second role में हम लोग बोल सकते हैं it also help in the growth, development, healing of multicellular organism. Multicellular organisms में न्यू काइंड ऑफ सेल फॉर्म होते हैं जिसकी वजह से उनकी ग्रोथ होती है. तो ग्रोथ के लिए, डेवलपमेंट के लिए एंड हीलिंग ऑफ वाउंड्स के लिए भी माइटोसिस का रोल होता है लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. देन थर्ड रोल इज दैट it occurs in both somatic cell and reproductive cells. सोमैटिक सेल्स एंड रिप्रोडक्टिव सेल्स मींस हमारे ह्यूमन बॉडी में दो टाइप के सेल्स होते हैं जो हमारे बॉडी ग्रोथ के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है। उन सेल्स को बोलते हैं हम सोमैटिक सेल्स। जो हमारे बॉडी सेल्स होते हैं वो बॉडी सेल्स के डिवाइडेशन में और साथ में रिप्रोडक्टिव सेल्स में गैमेट फॉर्मेशन में भी माइटोसिस नाम का सेल डिवीजन यूज होता है। देन इसके बाद में हम बताएंगे किसको इक्वेशनल डिवीजन बोला जाता है। इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड इक्वेशनल डिवीजन। माइटोसिस इज आल्सो कॉल्ड इक्वेशनल डिवीजन। Why it is known as equational division? The reason behind that, when a parent cell divide, if it have Twicean number of chromosome, the daughter cells are formed from this parent cell also have Twicean number of chromosome. Means if parent cell is diploid, then daughter cell is also diploid. If parent cell is haploid, then daughter cell is also haploid. Means they maintain the chromosome number as that of parent cell in a daughter cell. Means ये हुआ कि parent cell में जितना क्रोमोसोम नंबर होगा उतना ही क्रोमोसोम नंबर डॉटर सेल में मेंटेन होता है और डॉटर सेल जो फॉर्म होती है they are same as a parent cell and they bear equal number of chromosome as that of parent cell. Hence, this kind of division of cell is known as equational division. यहाँ पे आपको ध्यान में रखना है कि माइटोसिस help in asexual reproduction in bacteria, unicellular organisms. They are also responsible for growth, development, power dealing in multicellular organisms. It occurs in both the type of cells, somatic as well as reproductive cells, and it is also known as equational division because it maintains the chromosome number in daughter cell as that of parent cell. Then what happened in mitosis? अब इसके बाद हम देखेंगे एक्चुअल में माइटोसिस में क्या होता है। तो माइटोसिस में हमको पता है कि एक पेरेंट सेल से टू डॉटर सेल्स फॉर्म होती है। तो कैसे फॉर्म होती है हमको यहाँ बताना है कि माइटोसिस is a kind of cell division in which two daughter cells means two equal daughter cells are formed from this parent cell is known as mitosis. But mitosis is completed into two stages. There are two stages. First one is karyokinesis. First stage of mitosis is karyokinesis and another stage is cytokinesis. First stage is karyokinesis and another stage is cytokinesis. So what is the meaning of karyokinesis? तो इसमें आपको ध्यान रखना है कि karyokinesis means division of cytoplasm. Karyokinesis means division of cytoplasm. While cytokinesis means division, karyokinesis means division of nucleus, while the cytokinesis means division of cytoplasm. मीन्स हम ऐसा बोल सकते हैं कि karyokinesis पहले होगा और उसके तुरंत बाद में होगा cytokinesis. These are the two stages in mitosis. So first of all, karyokinesis means division of nucleus. You know, near about almost all cells have specific nucleus. हम लोग जानते हैं लगभग सभी सेल में न्यूक्लियस होता है। न्यूक्लियस के अंदर उसका जेनेटिक मटेरियल मींस आइदर डीएनए और आरएनए प्रेजेंट होता है एंड डीएनए एंड आरएनए आर प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द न्यूक्लियस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स. Here this nucleus can divided into two daughter nuclei. एक न्यूक्लियस से क्या बनेगी दो डॉटर न्यूक्लिया, उसको बोलेंगे हम डिवीजन ऑफ न्यूक्लियस मींस karyokinesis. And this karyokinesis is completed into four phases. First phase is phages. The first phase is prophase. Second phase is metaphase. And third phase is anaphase. And last phase is telophase. Means when two daughter nuclei are formed from a single nucleus is known as karyokinesis, and karyokinesis is completed into four phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Then just after karyokinesis there is occurrence of cytokinesis where division of cytoplasm takes place. This division of cytoplasm takes place in two ways. In plants there is presence of cell wall, but in case of animal there is absence of cell wall. Hence in plants and animals cytokinesis takes place in different ways. यहाँ पे आपको ध्यान में रखना है कि प्लांट सेल में और एनिमल सेल में जो साइटोकाइनेसिस होगा वो डिफरेंट वे में होगा. तो कैसे होगा तो यहाँ पे हम नोट कर लेते हैं. इन प्लांट्स where cell wall is present, in plants where cell wall is present, cytoplasm is divided by formation of cell plate. And in case of animals, cytoplasm is divided by furrowing of plasma membrane because their cell wall is absent. So in today's class we have discussed about the mitosis, means an introduction to mitosis. So what is mitosis? Simple way में आपको बताना है. It is a type of cell division in which a parent cell can divide into two daughter cells. This term mitosis is coined by Walter Fleming in 1878. What kind of role play in living system by mitosis? First of all, it helps in asexual reproduction in bacteria as well as in unicellular organisms like amoeba and paramecium. It also responsible for growth, development, healing, repair of multicellular organisms. It occurs in both type of cells, somatic cell as well as reproductive cell. It also referred as somatic cell division because it occurs in somatic cell and also occur in reproductive cell, but it mostly known as somatic cell division due to occurring in somatic cells, means body cells. Then it have important role in maintaining chromosome number species to species or from one organism to another organism. That's why it is known as equational division. Means अगर पेरेंट सेल हैप्लॉइड होगी तो डॉटर सेल भी हैप्लॉइड होगी. पेरेंट सेल अगर डिप्लॉइड है तो डॉटर सेल भी डिप्लॉइड है. मींस डॉटर सेल में उतने ही क्रोमोसोम रहेंगे जितने क्रोमोसोम्स पेरेंट सेल में हुआ करते हैं. इसलिए इसको बोला जाता है इक्वेशनल डिवीजन. हाउ द कंप्लीशन ऑफ माइटोसिस टेक्स प्लेस. सिंपल सा ये बताना है कि माइटोसिस कंप्लीटेड इनटू टू स्टेजेस, karyokinesis and second is cytokinesis. What is meant by karyokinesis? Means division of nucleus. The nucleus division is completed into four phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. तो प्रोफेज, मेटाफेज, एनाफेज, टेलोफेज की कंप्लीशन के बाद में एक पेरेंट न्यूक्लियस से दो डॉटर न्यूक्लिया बन जाते हैं. उसके तुरंत बाद में होता है सेकंड स्टेज दैट इज साइटोकाइनेसिस. इन केस ऑफ प्लांट cytoplasm is divided by formation of cell plate, while in case of animals where cell wall is absent, therefore outermost membrane is plasma membrane. In case of animal cell, cytoplasm is divided by furrowing of plasma membrane. Today's class here an introduction of mitosis is completed. In next class we have discussed how the karyokinesis of mitosis is completed. Have a good day and bye.